In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Charles Schwab Roth IRA. By the end, you'll know exactly what a Roth IRA is, how to check your eligibility, what to prepare, and how to open, fund, and start investing in your account at Charles Schwab. First, let's quickly clarify what a Roth IRA is. It's a retirement account funded with after-tax dollars, which means you pay taxes on the money now, not later. The big advantage is that your investments can grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free as well. To be qualified, you generally need to be at least age 59 and a half and have had a Roth IRA open for 5 years. That 5-year clock typically starts on January 1st of the year you make your first contribution. Next, check your eligibility. You need earned income, like wages or business income, to contribute. There are also income limits that affect how much you can put in. For 2026, the full contribution is generally available if your income is around or below roughly $153,000 if single, or $242,000 if married, filing jointly. If your income is above the limits, you might consider a backdoor Roth strategy, which is a more advanced approach and worth researching or discussing with a tax professional. Before you apply, gather a few items to make the process smooth. Have your social security number, a valid ID such as a driver's license or passport, employer details if applicable, your bank account information for funding, and the name and details of your beneficiary. A beneficiary is the person who would inherit the account, and setting this up helps avoid delays later. Now you're ready to open your Schwab Roth IRA online. Head to the Schwab website, choose the Roth IRA account type, and enter your personal and financial details. You'll create a login, verify your identity, and choose how you want to fund the account. The whole application usually takes about 10 minutes. Once the account is open, fund it. You can transfer from your bank, send a wire, or mail a check. Contribution limits are generally about $7,000 per year, or $8,000 if you're age 50 or older, but always confirm the current IRS limits. Finally, start investing. Money sitting as cash won't grow much. Consider broadly diversified index funds, ETFs, or a target date retirement fund that automatically adjusts as you approach retirement. Schwab has plenty of options, and you can align choices with your risk tolerance and time horizon. A few closing tips. Schwab has no minimum to open a Roth IRA. You can withdraw contributions anytime without taxes or penalties, and there are no required withdrawals in retirement.